Hello, my name is Michael Joubert from MJ's Adventure. We were camping in Pentwater, Michigan for the weekend, and the Lake Michigan was active, so I decided to go training with my new kayak into the wave to see how it handled. Here's the video. So some of you may have noticed I'm using a whitewater kayak. The reason why I decided to bring to Lake Michigan is because I wanted to practice with it. I was hoping that I would be able to go out there and do some practice round with my new skirt to see if I would be able to do a couple flips around and get my balance back. And also, since the waves were going, decided to see how it would control itself. I used this practice as a good way of getting my video camera set up and also to trying to see the whole tools that I purchased, my skirt, my mask, all my equipment to see how it worked. So here I was going through all the waves, making sure I was not getting too much water in, the skirt was working properly. The wind was pushing me away from where I was, but I was more concerned about can I move it without feeling insecure. I realized at this point that I didn't set up my seat properly and I was moving inside the kayak quite a bit. But I decided, let's go for it, let's see what we can do. So I got a little bit farther in the lake to see how it handled the waves. And I felt pretty confident. My wife was getting nervous because I was going away from her, but I was more concerned about how the waves were crashing into me. Took a couple waves on the side to control it. I was pretty happy with that. At some Once again, my name is Michael Gibert and I am from MJ's Adventure. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you liked the video, please like the video. If you have any questions, comments, or add any information to the video, please put them in the comments below. If you want to see more videos like this one, please subscribe. And again, thanks for watching.